Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the slide backgrounds in PowerPoint. Go to the View tab and click on the Slide Master button. Choose the Master Slide and click on the Background Slides button. From the drop-down menu, go through all background styles available. For further editing, you can click on the Format Background option. Once the new window opens, select the Picture or Texture Fill option. Click on the File button, browse around and select the image that you want to be displayed in the background. Move over to the Picture Color tab, click on the Presets button under the Recolor heading and choose the different styles you can modify your background with. You can preview each option by simply clicking on it and the background of the slide will automatically change. Once done, click on the Close Master View option on top.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.